Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Samsung. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in DevCheck. Now install this free app, DevCheck hardware and system info from this developer and open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!